resilience manager of Northern Immersive Preparedness Group, which is really a multi-agency group that deals with cyber potentially and planning and training and how we respond, probably at a more regional level potentially. So something pretty bad could end up on our work stream. And this course has enlightened me in particular when it comes to the more technical stuff. However, the course was well presented that I felt that I could understand it at every part. There was nothing too technical, but it equally let me go into the depths of the ICT world, as I call it, when it comes to cyber attacks, the idea of threat agents and how they would operate, their thought process is what would motivate them, why would they attack us from a cyber point of view, and the idea of automation, how that's really important just to safeguard your ICT infrastructure. So ultimately, and critical services as well, to identify what they are and have a plan in place. The idea is to communicate and have a written plan. And what one of the key lessons I got from yourself, Amar, is not to panic. From yourself, Amar, certainly engaging throughout to all the delegates on the call and keeping their attention and keeping them in check but even mention their names. So I thought it was really good to keep everybody going. So definitely an excellent trainer, and of course highly recommended. Thank you.